It's now possible to screen share using one application in Android phone, and you won't install any software in your PC using a browser instead to share your mobile screen to PC. Yes, using an HTTP address only. First of all, you need an application installed on an Android phone. So it's called HTTPS share application. So let's move it. Wait a minute. HTTPS screen share. Yes, this application is has 11 MB. So you need to install in your mobile phone already. This is currently installing. Wait until complete. Let's open the application. Put it to allow the all permission in this application. So let's move on. I need to, if you want to need mobile networks are using Wi-Fi networks, so you need to Wi-Fi networks in the same time into mobile to connect mobile and between to PC using the same Wi-Fi network. So if you want to need no more Wi-Fi networks, so you disable use Wi-Fi only. The switching is here, the advanced settings. So I disable use Wi-Fi only. Yes, you can now enter your hotspot, mobile hotspot, to connect to this mobile internet into PC easily. Yes, if you the first option is currently running here. If you enter the start screen button, so the first option is currently valid, the second option is invalid. So you need to enter the HTTP address in your mobile desktop in any browsers. So you need to same Wi-Fi this mobile internet connection into PC. So you can use any browsers like Opera, Google Chrome, and Mozilla Firefox, as well as Microsoft Edge. So I use Microsoft Edge in the default Windows PC. Yes, let's enter this address, current address. Let's now current the first address in your search bar. Enter the HTTPS address. The following line: 192.168. Wait. It's wrong. 100.65. And some going on. Wait a minute. I enter after I do. It's now trouble. Wait a minute. I want to need some refreshing re-entering this address. Wait a minute. It's a common troubleshoot for everyone using the application. So this not a problem. So you enter the address again, or close the browser and open it again and enter this address to following the mobile internet connection is connected in your PC following. Yes, the HTTPS screen stream address is currently showing here. That's right, the mobile screen is showing here. Well, and this is my phone screen. When you start your screen stream, the screen stream button below, the screen will automatically share this address into your mobile internet connection into your PC. Well, I am currently entering and presenting a screen without any software installed in my PC, using a Microsoft Edge browser instead, and using only an application in your Android phone. Well, this screen share is based on your mobile interconnection. So let's have camera application. Well, mobile interconnection is slightly slow. Well, so this is an best application for you are presenting a mobile to PC in a conference or anyone. If you are presenting in your lecturer, this is a very portable for everyone to casting your mobile screen. Well, yes, thank you.